Good morning, all of you. Previously, we discussed about electron family FET and MOSFET. Now we are going to focus our attention regarding SCR. What is meant by SCR? SCR means the silicon controlled rectifier. In Thyratron family, is the first power electronic device. This is the first power electronic device. This one, SCR, the name itself indicates silicon controlled rectifier. This one, first of all, we have to know about what is the main difference between a rectifier and silicon controlled rectifier. In case of rectifier, we know very much about this one. What is the main function? Rectifier means it converts AC to DC. On the other hand, SCR means silicon controlled rectifier. What is the difference between this diode and rectifier and silicon controlled rectifier means in case of rectifier, we are having only two terminals. Those are called anode and cathode. The main function of rectifier is to convert AC to DC. On the other hand, what is meant by SCR? SCR means silicon controlled rectifier. As the name itself indicates, which controls the rectification process. In addition to rectifier, we are having one more terminal that is called gate. This is the internal, this is the gate terminal. Now we are focusing our attention regarding internal characteristics of a SCR. In this one, basically we know about one thing, that in case of diodes, we are having only two terminals, P and N. One trivalent impurity and one pentavalent impurity are properly combined with one another. On the other hand, in case of SCR, we are connecting two PN junctions like this, PN and PN, like this. In this one, we are having three junctions, namely junction 1, this is junction 2, this is junction 3. And then we can also call this one, this is junction 1 application. This is, we are calling this one anode, cathode and gate. Three junctions, junction 1, junction 2, junction 3. In case of rectifier, we are having only one junction, that is like this, only one junction. In case of SCR, we are having three junctions, like this, junction 1, junction 2 and junction 3. Two PN junctions are connected like this, PN and PN, like this. And what is the main difference between this means, in case of diode, we are having only one and two terminals. In case of this one, we are having four layers, PN, PN. And we are having three junctions, junction 1, junction 2 and junction 3. And four layers, P and PN. We are having three terminals. At this top end, we connected this one, this is called anode. And this bottom end, we connected this one, this is called cathode. And we are having one more terminal, that is called gate. And where we are using this SCR means, SCR is popularly applicable in all kinds of power electronic devices like switching device, controlling device, rectification process. All these things we can do by this SCR. And we have to know about different kinds of modes of operation, how an SCR is supposed to be working. Before going to discuss about all these things, first of all, we have to know about basic block diagram of this is the basic symbolic diagram of SCR. This one, we know that by closing this gate, it seems to be an ordinary diode like anode and cathode. On the other hand, in case of SCR, we are having one more terminal, that is called a gate terminal. This is the anode, cathode and a gate. Three terminal electronic device. How it is supposed to be functioning, that we have to see. The function is supposed to be in kinds of four modes, that is called forward blocking mode. Second one, forward conduction mode. Third one, reverse blocking mode. And fourth one is reverse conduction mode. The basic function and application is same as the rectifier. It is also a directional device. Nothing but current conduction made possible in one direction only, that is forward direction. That is why, as a characteristics, we are supposed to be focusing on attention regarding this one. In this one, first of all, we have to know about basic circuit diagram. What is meant by forward blocking mode? Forward blocking mode means applying anode to battery's positive terminal and cathode to battery's negative terminal. Okay, like this also. Battery's positive terminal to anode and negative terminal to anode. Nothing but junction J1. Same as this is P, and we are connecting battery's positive terminal. Nothing but it is connected in forward bias. And junction J3, consider junction J3, PN, then is connected to negative terminal. It is in reverse bias. Input is forward. Nothing but junction. This is in forward. Anode is forward to cathode. In case of forward blocking mode, anode forward to cathode and gate 0. Gate 0 thing but without applying gate's voltage and the case. In case of forward blocking mode, how it's supposed to be the voltage versus current characteristics are happening in this one, that we have to see. This is the basic characteristics of SCR. In this one, we are applying this is x-axis is voltage and y-axis current. By applying forward voltage like this, applying anode to battery's positive and cathode to battery's negative terminal like this, neglecting this condition, forward blocking mode, what happens means on the application of applying voltage, current is supposed to be increasing like very less level, lower levels, up to this one. There is no progressive current is supposed to be happening in case of forward blocking mode. On the other hand, in case of forward conduction mode, nothing but same as function, anode is positive with respect to cathode like this, and in addition that in case of forward conduction mode, the gate current is also applying like this, which is in open condition, nothing but without applying gate current. On the application of applying gate current like this, which as one is in closed condition, what happens means this forward blocking voltage starts reducing like this, and current is increasing. By increasing gate voltage, some more thing, what happens means forward blocking voltage decreases, and by increasing some more, nothing but forward blocking mode, one more increase. After observing the condition, in case of forward conduction mode, current is supposed to be increasing progressively. In this one, how we are supposed to explaining means Ig1 smaller than Ig2 smaller than Ig3. And this one, forward breakover voltage. Specifications of forward breakover voltage. This is the starting forward breakover voltage, like this. Then this voltage drop specified current is something like this. Nothing but on the application of applying a small gate voltage, what happens means the forward blocking mode of voltage starts to be reducing. Current is supposed to be increasing in this way. By increasing some more, what happens means the voltage is supposed to, on the application of applying less voltage, current is supposed to be increasing rapidly. This is the thing we have to observe in case of application of gate with respect to anode and cathode. Nothing but forward conduction mode. This is the basic working function of an SCR and its characteristics. This VI characteristics, this is the most important thing. We are supposed to be learning the forward blocking mode and forward conduction mode. In case of forward blocking mode, we are not applying gate voltage. On the other hand, in case of forward conduction mode, we are applying gate voltage. By applying gate voltage, what happens means this forward breakover voltage reduces like this, and on the application of small voltage into gate, current is supposed to be increasing rapidly. This is the most important function of SCR. On the other hand, we can also discuss about some two things. reverse blocking mode and reverse conduction mode. In case of reverse blocking mode, what happens means anode is negative with respect to cathode like this, and without gate is called reverse blocking mode. And applying gate voltage, what happens means reverse conduction mode. In case of reverse blocking mode, what happens means something like this. But in case of SCR, it is applicable only in one direction, that is called positive direction. That is why we are discussing up to this level. This is the basic function of SCR. Now we recall once again what is meant by SCR. SCR means silicon controlled rectifier. In Thyratron family, this is the first rectifying power electronic device. How it is supposed to be functioning? Before going to discuss about these things, first of all, we have to know about what is the difference between a diode and a rectifier. In case of diode, we are having only two terminals, this is called anode and cathode. On the other hand, SCR means we are having three terminals, anode, cathode, and gate terminals. This is the internal diagram of an SCR. How it is supposed to be connecting means two PN junctions are connected like this. Here we are having four layers PN, and three junctions, junction 1, junction 2, junction 3. And on the application of this one, how it is supposed to be working. Before going to discuss about this thing, we have to know about the symbolic representation of a SCR. We are having anode, cathode. In addition to anode and cathode, we are having one more terminal that is called gate. And SCR different modes of operation. In case we are having four modes of operation: forward blocking mode, forward conduction mode, reverse blocking mode, reverse conduction mode. So in case of forward blocking mode, what happens is anode is connected to battery's positive and cathode connected to battery's negative terminal. Like this is the internal block diagram, and this is the circuit diagram of an SCR. And in this one, anode is connected to battery's positive and cathode is connected to battery's negative. And gate terminal is in blocking condition, nothing but we are not applying any gate voltage. Under this condition, what happens means by increasing voltage, by increasing anode to cathode voltage like this, by increasing this voltage, DC power supply, what happens means current is supposed to be increasing like this, and reach this point. This is called forward breakover voltage without applying gate voltage. And in second case, we are applying a gate voltage, nothing but in case of forward conduction mode. In case of forward conduction mode, what happens means on the application of applying a gate voltage, the anode to cathode voltage starts to be increasing rapidly, nothing but the forward breakover voltage starts decreasing, like this starts decreasing, and by increasing some more gate voltage it starts increasing, and some more it starts increasing, nothing but Ig3 greater than Ig2 greater than Ig1, nothing but gate current at point 1, gate current at point 1, gate current at point 2, gate current at point 3. At this point, what happens is the gate voltage, on the application of this gate voltage, what happens is the current is increasing rapidly. This is the basic VA characteristics of an SCR. And in case of reverse blocking mode and reverse conduction mode, we will discuss in case of triac. Today's discussion is only SCR. Thank you.